Let's review this Wolfbox G900. It includes the primary camera with a 4K front-facing lens. Designed for capturing high-resolution footage, it features a sleek design and is equipped with a built-in screen for live viewing and playback. I will review its 6 months performance, so watch till the end. Moreover, it also includes rear camera ensuring comprehensive coverage. It comes with a long connection cable to attach to the main unit, providing a wide-angle view of the rear of the vehicle. It also includes a GPS module for tracking location and speed, a car charger for powering the device, mounting brackets and adhesive pads for easy installation. The Wolfbox G900 dashcam is packed with premium features like 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, and reliable parking monitoring, making it an excellent choice for enhancing vehicle security and documenting road trips. The parking monitor mode provides 24/7 surveillance by automatically activating the camera when motion is detected around the parked vehicle. This is complemented by the wide-angle lenses, 170-degree front and 140-degree rear, capturing more of the surroundings in each shot. The screen serves as a real-time monitor for your dashcam, displaying live footage from both the front and rear cameras. You can easily switch between views or view them simultaneously in a split screen mode, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. This feature is particularly useful for aligning your cameras during installation and ensuring they are capturing the desired angles. You can move it up and down according to your field of view. One of the standout features accessible via the screen is the GPS tracking and speed monitoring. The G900 integrates GPS data with your recorded videos, allowing you to see your exact location and speed at any given moment. On the screen, you can view real-time GPS information, including your current coordinates and speed, providing a comprehensive log of your journey. The GPS data overlay on the footage can be crucial for evidence in case of accidents or for documenting your travels. It's also handy for monitoring your driving habits and ensuring you adhere to speed limit. Navigating through the G900's interface is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly design. The touchscreen provides responsive and easy control. Look at guys, the G900 excels in video quality. The front camera records in stunning 4K UHD, which means you get extremely sharp and detailed footage. This level of clarity is crucial, especially if you need to capture small details like license plates, street signs, or even the faces of pedestrians. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is still high definition and more than sufficient for capturing what's happening behind your car. Another standout feature of the G900 is its night vision capability. Equipped with Sony Starvist sensors, this dashcam performs exceptionally well in low light conditions. Whether you are driving on a poorly lit road or parking in a dimly lit garage, the G900 ensures that your recordings are clear and bright. This is big plus for anyone who does a lot of driving at night or in areas where lighting is not optimal. Safety is a critical aspect of any dashcam, and the G900 does not disappoint. It includes a G sensor which automatically detects collisions and logs the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. This feature ensures that crucial movements are preserved, which can be vital for insurance claims or legal purposes. I think you should consider this dashcam in its price range. You can check its price by visiting link in description.